Sunday morning, about 8 o'clock in the morning. Get up, get me a cup of coffee, realize the power's off. So this thing right here is pretty useless. Let's make some coffee. So with the power being out this morning, I'm going to try out this here Copper Cow coffee. It's a pour over coffee. It says it's a Vietnamese coffee. It's owned by a Vietnamese woman actually. I've never tried this before. So I figured now would be a good time to try it out since the power's off and, well, I got the supplies to make coffee, so let's see what we can do here. I got these from World Market. I forgot how much they were. There's, if you can see inside, there's 5 packs. So you can get 5 packs of coffee or 5 cups of coffee of it. If you look there on the back, it tells you how to do it. You tear open the packet, you hang it over a cup, pour in your hot water, and enjoy your cup. So I'm going to let this water get heated up, and we'll see what we can do. Tears off. It's got these little legs here. I guess the grips hold the cup, so I don't know if it's going to work on this big old cup here. Yep. Yep, it actually does work. Try not to spill this. You can tell there the little legs grab hold of the sides of the cup of coffee. This is a pretty good size mug here. And your coffee is open on top now. You just pour the water in. So get this water heated up here just a little bit more and give it right back with you. Alright, I've been warming the water up here for a little bit. I'm going to take it off and pour it over the coffee here, see what we can do. Alright, the water's done heated up. I'll let it cool down just a little bit so I can handle the bottle here. This might be a little bit of a slow process being pour over, so I'll get back with you in just a minute when I'm done. One thing I noticed, this makes a pretty dark cup of coffee. I like dark coffee. Now all the coffee snobs and purists and everything that say, oh, that's not real pour over, there's a time and weight and all that process, and I'm not all into that right now. All I'm trying to do is get me a good cup of coffee. So I think that's probably about enough for this right here. Might add just a little bit more here. Then I'm going to let it cool down for a second. Put me a little bit of sugar in it. See how it tastes. Cheers. Wow, that's pretty good coffee. It's a little bit different from what I usually drink. It's a little bit different type of dark roast. I didn't put any sugar in it, and I kind of like it without it. Anyways, so if you see these at World Market or online anywhere else, go ahead and try them. I think I don't remember how much I paid for them. I want to say they're probably $4 or $5 for the pack of them. It may have been more. I didn't even look at my receipt. But anyways, turn this bad situation of no power, needing coffee, to a good situation with some pretty interesting coffee. And the day's not going to be so bad after all. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time.